The fact that I'm still standing here after almost 8 years doesn't tell us much about our legal system. As a matter of fact, after 8 years, I find that we, the victims, have almost no rights.
That's Maan Alkaisi, the spokesperson for the CTV Families Group, and that's what he had to say outside the High Court in Wellington today. His wife, Maysoon Abbas, was one of 115 people who died when the 6-storey office block collapsed in the 2011 earthquake in Christchurch. Last November, following a 3-year-long police investigation, it was decided no charges would be laid against the engineers that designed it due to a lack of evidence. Government lawyers have asked the High Court to order the Institution of Professional Engineers to resume its investigation into the civil engineer responsible for the CTV building. The engineering firm responsible for the building's design was owned by Alan Reay, and the institution, known as IPENS, abandoned its investigation when Dr. Reay resigned his membership in February 2014. Maan Alkaisi has a simple hope that the legal action will end in justice being served.
115 people lost their lives when the CTV building collapsed. Subsequently, the Canterbury Earthquake Royal Commission of Inquiry identified numerous and significant design deficiencies. After almost 8 years since the CTV tragedy, no one has been held to account, and there has been no closure for the families who lost loved ones. No accountability and no justice. It is alarming to realize that an engineer was apparently fully aware of significant design deficiencies in the building that risk lives, yet not taking any action to rectify the problems or inform the occupants or the council is considered by our legal system normal practice. It's also very concerning that IPENS, in my opinion, conducted the worst example of double standard by punishing David Harding, a structural engineer employed by Alan Reay to work on the CTV design, but chose not to take a single action against Alan Reay. This was in spite of the fact that both were members of IPENS, both resigned before the disciplinary action, and both had the same responsibilities in the design of the CTV building. Not only this hearing is about accountability, but it's also about public safety, the need to send a strong message to the construction industry and practicing engineers. The CTV Families Group will continue to stand up for what is right and stay truly to our heart's pursuit for accountability and justice.